When done right, this might be my favorite Italian dish. This is how a chef likes to make his eggplant parmesan.
Parmigiana di melanzane.
Chef Joella is the head chef at La Piccola Cucina, my favorite Italian restaurant in New York. Here we're making his eggplant parm that I genuinely believe is the best one on earth. Starting with the sauce, we slow cook mirepoix in olive oil till caramelized, then we go in with the tomatoes. Joella simmers his sauce for a day at his restaurant, but we didn't have that time. We just let it do its thing while we moved on to the eggplant. We salt it and let it sit for 30 minutes, then we fry in olive oil till golden brown and cook through. As it drains on paper towels, we go back to the sauce. Basil and good olive oil join the party and we blend till smooth and emulsified. Seasoned to taste, then we're ready to build the dish. Joella's genius secret ingredient is broken up burrata instead of mozzarella for a creamier bite. We repeatedly layer with sauce, eggplant burrata, and ricotta salata till we reach the top. Then we throw it into an oven and wait the longest 20 minutes of my entire life. It was seriously a pleasure cooking with Joella. I've been going to his restaurant for a while now, and it's an honor to cook with a chef I look up to. And the eggplant parm, just as good as the restaurant.